What is your name?
My name is Muntaha.
What is your name?
My name is Muntaha.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in Mymensingh.
Where do you live?
I live in Mymensingh.
What do you do for fun?
I like to paint in my spare time.
What do you do for fun?
I like to paint in my spare time.
Where do you study?
I study at primary school.
Where do you study?
I study at primary school.
May I ask a question?
Why not?
May I ask a question?
Why not?
You have changed a lot.
Do you recognize me?
You have changed a lot.
Do you recognize me?
Your phone is ringing.
Who is calling?
Your phone is ringing.
Who is calling?
Can you hear me?
Talk a little louder.
Can you hear me?
Talk a little louder.
When will I call you?
Call me tomorrow.
When will I call you?
Call me tomorrow.
This is very annoying.
I agree with your opinion.
This is very annoying. Please subscribe our channel. Your subscription will encourage us.